Hey, what's up money makers? Moses here, and in this video I'm gonna be showing you 5 businesses you can start today with $0 in capital. And yes, you might be saying to yourself, $0 in capital to start a business? I thought you needed money to make money. That's absolutely false. If you're a true entrepreneur and a true hustler, you'll find a way to make money when you have nothing. But before I tell you the 5 ways you can start a business with only $0 in capital, make sure you hit that subscribe button if you want to learn more about personal finance and how to make money online. And if you really like this video and you want to support the page, make sure you smash that like button. So the first business you can start with $0 in capital today is an Instagram theme page. Instagram theme pages are pages on Instagram that post certain content that is involved in a certain type of niche. For example, in this Instagram theme page right here, it's a personal finance and business theme page. And as you can see, this theme page has over 200,000 followers. And that might not seem like a whole bunch and that might not be millions, but I guarantee you that this page is probably making thousands to even tens or hundreds of $1,000s per month. And the way they do that is by other businesses or other entrepreneurs buying ads on that page. For example, this ad right here, as you can see, this is a certain type of company, and if you look at the description of this post right here, you can see it says link in my bio. Someone paid this page to post this post promoting their product or business. And as you can tell, they have all kinds of different posts about making money in finance, and that might be something that a group of people are interested in, and that's why they follow. And I actually do follow this page myself because it helps me come up with business ideas and topics to make YouTube videos on, just like this one. So that's the first way you can start making money online. But before I move on to the next one, I just want to tell you that to be successful in this type of business, you have to post consistently and post creative and unique content. And that's with any of these businesses. If you stay consistent, dedicated, put in hard work, and be creative with the things you do and think outside the box, you have a higher level of success over the competition. And if you have a scarcity mindset and think, oh, this is saturated, there's already a page about this, there's already a niche page about this, who said there can't be 2 or 10 or 100? You just have to make yourself stand out above all the rest. If you could do that, you're putting yourself on the top of the list compared to everybody else. And the way you could do that is by, looking at your competition and not copying them, but taking what they're doing and build off of that. For example, this YouTube channel. Yes, this is my first video and I'm barely starting it. But there are other YouTubers about personal finance, business, and how to make money online who I watch, and I make similar videos to them, but I don't make the same thing. See, this video might be made 100 times, but I'm giving you more value and more information on how to start a business with no money. And that's how you become successful. But that brings me into my next business you could start with $0 in capital, and that is starting a YouTube channel. Starting a YouTube channel, you don't need absolutely no money. As long as you have a phone with the camera on it, the iPhone camera is absolutely perfect. It has 4K video, like it's a pretty good camera that you could just start with. And the sooner you start, the better. YouTube videos are like real estate. You post a video on YouTube, that video could be making you money years down the road. And that's passive income. And yes, you had to put in a slight amount of work making the video, but your fruits of your labor are going to be shown in the future. And you might be telling yourself, man, I can't start a YouTube channel, I'm too shy, I might not like the way I look, I might not be confident enough on camera. There's ways to make videos without showing your face. There's pages like top 10 channels on the top 10 richest people on earth, or top 10 planets that blah blah blah, But there's channels like that don't even show their face, and they make hundreds of thousands of dollars, and they get millions and millions of views. And if you could come up with a niche, however you want to say it, that a large group of people are interested in, and you can create content, aka videos, that they have not seen before, that are creative, and you're posting consistently. Consistency is the most important key. Remember that, consistency. You gotta post often. The more often the better. The more videos the better. Because years down the line, say you have 1,000 videos in 2 years and your channel gets monetized, you'll be making money from the past work that you put in. What you want to do when creating a YouTube channel is you want to provide value. Value could be demonstrated in plenty of different ways. For example, the value I'm providing in this video is showing you guys how to make money online and be entrepreneurs and be your own boss and learn about personal finance. Another form of value can be just entertainment. Someone might be super bored, locked in during quarantine, and they just need something to watch and keep their mind off of things. You know, it might be you making an animation channel where you have little animation characters and you're just doing voiceovers. There's tons of ways to provide value, and that's where creativity comes in. You have to be creative when you're an entrepreneur. You have to think outside the box and find ways to make yourself stand out. And that's with any business, trust me. Because if you have an idea for a business, most likely it's already taken. But you have to find a way to make yourself stand out so your business can succeed. For example, Apple, one of the most successful businesses and companies on earth. They weren't the first ones to create the MP3 player, but they made it anyways. And the way they did this was they made the iPod Touch, something that people never even heard of, a touchscreen MP3 player. It shocked the world, and it changed the world forever and the way the world looks at MP3 players. And Apple's a great example of thinking outside the box, being creative, and taking an idea and making it even better than it already is. So that's the second way to make money online or start a business with $0, a YouTube channel. The third way is dropshipping or reselling products on Amazon, eBay. And you might be saying, hey, don't I need money to buy these products and sell them or resell them? And the answer is absolutely not. Like I said, if you're a true hustler and a true entrepreneur, you'll find a way to make it happen, and you'll find a way to start with zero. And the best way I recommend is looking around your house and finding things that you do not use. I know you have to have a pair of shoes that you've never worn, or a shirt that you hardly even wear, or like a hat, or you have to have at least one thing that you could get started with. So I have this book. Now what you want to do to resell this book is you're gonna list it on eBay, Amazon, and any other marketplace, Etsy, Poshmark, Letgo, anything, and you're gonna get that initial capital that you need. You might only sell this book for, who knows, 10, maybe at the least $6, but that $6 is somewhere to start. With that $6, you could go on eBay and drop ship a product. So what I did was I grabbed this product from Amazon and I created a listing on eBay because I saw that on eBay they go for more. I'm making about $19 profit after all the eBay fees and everything like that. But the good thing is, it's profit, and from there you start getting orders, and that's one way to make money with zero money. Alright, now the fourth way to make money online with $0 in your bank account, or in your cash, or in your piggy bank, or wherever you keep your money, is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is basically when you promote a product for a company online, or you could do it in person. My father actually does this in person with the music store. My dad's a musician, and what he does is, a music store allows him to do reviews on products on his YouTube channel, and he promotes them. And when he makes these video reviews, he leaves a link in the bio to that store, and he gets a commission fee every time that someone uses his link that he provided in the description. And that's a great way to make money starting with $0, because you don't need to actually own this product or own the business itself. But if you have, for example, if you're a YouTuber, or you already have an Instagram theme page, or you already have a YouTube channel, you already have a following. So what you could do is you could promote these products on your YouTube channel or Instagram theme page, and you can make a commission off each item that sells through your link. And you don't even have to have a YouTube channel or Instagram theme page to do affiliate marketing. There's people who go get these affiliate marketing links and they go to blog posts. For example, say you're selling this product right here. You want to go to a blog post or a blog website that's similar to this product. For example, this blog post right here, it's about, you know, the product that we're looking at. So what you want to do is you want to go down to the comments, or wherever, if there's a comment section in the blog post, you want to go down and write something that's creative and that will get people to click on your affiliate link. And you want to do this to tons and tons and tons and tons of blog posts. Dedicate your time to finding these blog posts and posting your link in them. And that's another way to make money. And you might be saying, man, this is not gonna work. Who's gonna click on my link post of a random dude? Well, these people are obviously looking at these blog posts because they're interested in the niche or topic that this post is about. That's why it's important to find similar blog posts that are related to the product that you're promoting. So someone who's, for example, has a pet that's not obedient, that tears up the entire house, that, you know, just leaves its feces everywhere, they might want a product that will help their dog get trained. So they might go search up how to train my dog, get my dog to start barking loud inside at night, you know, just things related to dogs that this product could solve a problem with. So you search that up, and then you go to the first website that pops up that's not sponsored. You click on that website, go down to the comments and post and make a comment about how this product will help them and provide value to them. And that will increase your chances of them clicking on that product, on that link, and purchasing. But affiliate marketing is a great way to make extra cash if you're really motivated and ready to put in the time and work to find these blog posts and put yourself out there. Alright, so the last business you could start today with no money is freelancing business, or becoming a independent contractor for a company. And to do this, you will need a certain skill of some kind. And you might be saying, well, I don't have any skills that I could sell online or provide value to someone. And the answer to that, and what I would say to that, is you're a liar and you do have a skill. And you might not even know that you have a skill. And also, like I said, hustlers make something out of nothing. Nowadays on YouTube, you can learn any skill you want. You can learn anything. College isn't important nowadays. Why are you gonna pay $100,000 per year at a college to learn things that you don't need, when you can learn everything you need to make you money online with YouTube? So you could learn a skill that you could sell on Fiverr, Upwork, or other freelance websites. One example of this is graphic design. You can learn how to become a graphic designer so easily on YouTube. Just search up how to become a graphic designer for beginners. From there, watch the videos and get yourself introduced and get all the tools that you need to start graphic designing. And you might be saying, I'm not into graphic designing. There's hundreds to maybe even thousands or 10,000s of different skills you could sell online. For example, one that is very simple that I make a couple $100s per week doing is making YouTube thumbnails. And I have no graphic design. I don't know how to use Photoshop, but I searched up on YouTube how to make YouTube thumbnails, and I learned how by using a website called Canva that's super simple for beginners, that literally a monkey could do it. And right here I'm showing you how easy it is to make a thumbnail. As you can see right here, it's literally just drag and drop, drag and drop. All I gotta do is type some words based on these thumbnails, and whatever the person on Fiverr requests, I just make it, and I'm creative as possible. I'm telling you, creativity is very important. So you want to make creative thumbnails that will get you more money, and as your skill level increases, so does your income. So yeah, you might start, only selling thumbnails for 10, 5, or maybe even for free. But what you need is those reviews. You need those initial reviews for people to see, this guy is dependable, this guy's gonna get me what I need, this guy is gonna make me, or girl is gonna make me a thumbnail that is actually going to make people click on my video. That's why freelancing is such a great way to make money for anybody, literally anybody, because you can learn any skill. As long as you have the drive, the passion, the determination to learn a skill, you can make this happen and start making money today. I'm really talking, if you really want to make money, this is a super simple way. And say you want to start a business that requires a capital or money to start. This is a great way to raise that capital. Sometimes you have to do things you don't like doing to be able to do the things in the future that are fulfilling, that provide your life with meaning. For example, for me, I never liked working a job. I never liked people telling me what to do or going home with my hands hurting from grabbing a knife and cutting meat all day at my previous job. But I knew that if I stuck to it and I saved my money, I had enough money to start my first business. And that's how I started my first business. That's how I raised the capital to start my first business. I went through hell to be able to get to where I needed to be. And if you really want something in life, you can make it happen. And it all starts here with your mindset. So always remember that. But that wraps up this video, guys. If I provided you with any value at all in this video, make sure you hit that like button. And if you want to see more videos of how to make money online and how to start a business or personal finance, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you can get notified every time I upload a video, and you could be the first one to get that idea and start implementing it. So that wraps this up, guys. Thanks for watching. Until next time.